It's time for another video! All right, y'all, we're gonna do something a little different. I have this girl that I thrifted. She has all the articulation in her arms, but not in her legs, but I don't mind that. She has a little scuff there on her tummy that I'm gonna fix, but I'm gonna do a head swap because I'm not that big of a fan of the Millie faces here. This girl, however, that I also got in a thrift, she is really pretty and her skin tone almost matches, but she has really bad glue seepage and her head is really hard, so I'm gonna have to remedy that as well. She had messed up feet here. The ballerina feet aren't right, so I'm gonna swap their heads. But the whole point of this video is I wanted to find a doll to style up this cute little purse, and these boots that I got from the Mini Fashions fashion packs, these are so super cute. These don't want to go on a lot of the dolly legs, especially the bend and snap rubbery ones. They don't want to go on, but these slidey slick legs, they fit on pretty decent. So I am going to head swap these girls, fix this poor girl's glue seepage head. Then once I've done that, I'm going to take this purse and these boots as inspiration and put them on this girl once she's swapped and give her an awesome little outfit. So that's what we're going to do in this video today. Probably going to take a while, so it'll be clips and clips, but this is how we're going to start, and it's going to be fun, and I thought you might like to see. Come along the journey with me, so yay! Now, I know these dolls look crazy, but if you're new and you haven't seen, hi, nice to meet you, but I do a quick and easy method where I shove the dolls' heads down on their bodies like this, and I let them sit for, a minute to 5 minutes tops. That way it spreads out the neck hole and makes it easier to pop these heads off. Now, I've done it in a bunch of 3-minute short videos for y'all, so you can go check those out. They're in my lineup, and it's super quick and easy, and that's what I'm going to do with these girls. Pop these heads off real quick, and then I'm going to give this poor girl a glue treatment. So here they are, quick and easy, heads removed. Didn't take me but less than a minute to pop them off once they sat for a minute. Now I do turn the heads back and forth several times to loosen them up, because sometimes when they have the glue seepage problem, they get stuck. But other than that, pretty easy. And then what I do for me, because I don't like these extra little pegs here, I take my clippers and I snip them off on both sides. That way, when you're head swapping, if you want to do it again, it doesn't give you so many problems. And this is what the pegs look like once I'm all done. I also go back in and snip a little down the sides, but I couldn't do that one-handed because that's how I'm filming right now. So there you go. The next time you see these dollies, they will be head swapped, and this one will have had her glue treatment. I took the Millie head from the other Barbie and put it on the ballerina Barbie's body. I also fixed her hair a little, and I fixed the feet, as you can see in these photos. I always do my best when I'm body swapping and know I'm gonna sell on a doll to fix it up the best I can in every way possible. They always get a full cleaning, a hair redo, and fixing up of any little thing I can find before I sell them on. I fixed the ballerina feet as well as I could because I'm just going to sell this doll on anyway, but now she's all fixed and ready for somebody to love on her. All right, y'all, it's finally reveal time. Here we go. Drum roll. Here she is, all styled up. Oh my goodness. I love these boots, and they are really cute, but you will have trouble finding girls that they fit easily because, like I said in the beginning, the vintage dolls with the rubbery legs, they don't want to go on, and the way her foot is setting isn't perfect. As you can see, it's a little funny, but I still love it. I just wanted to show her full frame to y'all just super quick before I get into the details. Here is what her hair turned out looking like. She had really bad glue seepage. It took a long time for the treatment to work because her glue seepage was so bad, but I think it was worth it. Just look at how shiny and flowy it is. It's just beautiful, and I love this strawberry blonde color. It's so pretty. And since we're back here, I did pop a pin into the little beret so it would stay on her head nicely. I think this girl looks so stylish and cute like this. Now this little beret and this little outfit, it looks like it's 2 pieces, but it's 1 piece. I got from Temu. It was pretty cheap, $2 or less. I don't really buy anything unless it's in a multi-pack. I'll pay more for a multi-pack. But for outfits, unless I think they're super nice, I won't pay more than $2 or $3. So I believe this was around $2. And I just thought it looked so super cute with this bag. That was my inspiration for styling. I wanted to do a cute doll with this bag and these boots, these boots. I still love these boots, even though they're a little wonky and awkward. I still love them. And I just thought her face was really stunning. I love the bright makeup and the bright two-tone tealy blue and purpley eyes with the bright raspberry colored lips. So I swapped her onto this body and I think she looks perfect. And I pierced her ears and gave her these cute little flowers with the pearls in the middle. They came off of my little pack here that I got from Five Below. See, I told you I would be able to use these for lots of things. There are lots of like plain earrings like this one here, the stud, these hearts, these little flowers. I almost gave her these flowers, but I wanted something a little more bold, so I gave her those ones. And then these stunning little studs, and then these square studs. Love, love, love these. The back of the dress just has a Velcro closure. It's not the skinniest Velcro. It's not the worst. It doesn't like stick out too bad or anything. It's a little wonky because of the way I have her arm positioned, but see, it fits just fine. And this is what she looks like from the back with her cute little boots. I just really love how she looks. I love how her styling turned out, and I'm so glad I was able to fix her up and fix the other doll as well that I'm going to sell on to somebody who'll love it. And now I have this beauty cutie all ready for the collector shelf in my collection. And I did want to say, the material that the outfit is made out of is really thick and nice. The hat is thinner, but it needs to be so that it can set properly on the head. So I'm really happy with that. And it fits her great, goes all the way to her wrists and everything. So love, love, love it. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed getting to see this body swap, fixing, restyling, all the goody dolly goodness that I did in this video. Thanks for being with me and watching. I hope you had a little dolly restyling, body switching fun. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great dolly day, and that all the good best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great big huge subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers out there. We are so very close to being 17,000 strong in our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family. So I have to say, thanks bunches for absolutely everything, y'all. All my wonderful, lovely subscribers, y'all truly are the most magically best in all the land. At least I think so anyway. And I always have to say, thank you so much for the likes, the comments, the sharing, the hyping of the long form videos really helps get us out there and sharing all the Dolly joy to everybody. It makes the algorithm see that y'all like my Dolly goodness and joy and want to spread it around. So I have to say, thanks super big bunches for all that loveliness, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join this great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here together, which grows by the day from people all over the world coming along, hitting the button, boopity boop boop, saying you like my Dolly silliness and craziness, all the general Dolly joy that I want to get into and share and spread with y'all. So if you want to become part of all the Dolly goodness we get into here, the shorts, the vlogs, the DIYs, thrifting, anything you can think of in the Dolly world, we're going to try it right here and hopefully have fun together while we do it. So if you want to become part of all the Dolly goodness joy here, come along and join us because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter who you are or what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. Another restyling, body switching, Dolly goodness fun video in the book. I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy dolling, happy Dolly day, happy body switching and restyling too. And bye, y'all.